of providing 30% more thrust than the engines used on the 747. Each massive power plant costs $15 million. If one of these were to break off and escape into the engine, it could wreak unimaginable destruction to the plane. The A380 engines are safe for flight, but there are many more pieces to the puzzle. Boeing 747. A four-engined double-decker behemoth that transformed commercial air travel upon its unveiling in 1969. Paving the way for long-distance, high-volume air travel, the Queen of the Skies, as it's been crowned, became the flagship aircraft for full-service carriers around the world, from most of the major airlines in the United States and Europe to carriers in the Middle East, East Asia, and Australia. But becoming the largest passenger aircraft in the skies doesn't happen overnight. How did the Boeing 747 concept come to be? And why is it becoming an increasingly rare sight? The 747-8 is the latest and final variant of the 747 and was launched in 2005. It first flew in 2010, offering more efficient engines, an improved cockpit, and larger fuselage. Despite offering an increased payload of around 16%, the 747-8 would never attain the same levels of popularity as the highly successful Dash 400. There's not much to say about the 747's decline. A slow bleed over the last 20 years, the relatively low orders for the 747-8 were indicative of a growing trend towards more efficient twin-engine aircraft such as the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350.